Yeah, people, say real border cat I represent for the YouTube channel. It named Jamrock Radio. Naya Bingi. People, me say no go over there, go subscribe, like, and share. So me I say, a whole heap of inspiration over the cause of them man I teach the youth them the right thing, you see me? Some people no just check in with Naya Bingi. Remember me telling you, Jamrock Radio. So me I say?
Yes, massive. Blessed lover, welcome to the channel. Hopes everybody are doing well. Hopes everybody in the best of themselves is it and you understand? Everybody family in the best of health and all of them nice things. You see. Once I welcome to the channel again, is it? Yeah man. So Jamaica they always a keep, and that them say hashtag Jamaica always a keep, is it? Yeah man, so over the past few months differently still. I realize a whole heap of drama kind of stir up between the Jamaica YouTube community differently still, is it? We are see a whole heap of call out. People are talk some things about the people who then work with and them kind of thing there. You understand? Some pretty harsh words we say are throughout on the YouTuber them against them one another and them kind of thing there. You see it, so some of them things I kind of want to talk about today, you see. Because what you know, we realize Jamaica is a nice place, a beautiful place. Yeah, man. And you see, if we are represent brand yard or one yard, one Jamaica, see? So we are say one Jamaica. What you know? We realize Jamaica our hotspot for vlogging because the content creators them in Jamaica, them vary because Jamaica is a diverse place and it have a whole heap of vibrancy, is it? And people we find interest in every bit and pieces of the aspect of Jamaican lifestyle and Jamaican culture and them kind of things, you see it? So we see people from all over the world kind of tune in, people engage same way to people participate in the exposure, the culture and the beauty of the place and the lifestyle of the people them and them kind of thing. They see. Some of them come in and you understand, some of them help and some of them exploit same way, you see. But it is what it is, though. Yeah. So we see it's a Jamaica one beautiful place and the interest in Jamaica things. You understand? It they in a high demand. So we have different kind of content creators. You understand? You have content creators on fishing. You have content creators on cooking, same way too. You have on travel. You have on beauty and them kind of things. You see? So it's a thing where Jamaica have so much to offer. You understand? And we don't even talk about music and sports and you understand? The other rest are natural resource them. You understand? The people as the human resource same way too. People with brilliant minds where they do all kind of things in a different areas, but yet them are Jamaican and them still a contribute to all what they happen. You understand? In the growth and development and the exposure, the culture and them kind of things. You see it? So we realize, you understand, there's a big interest in Jamaica things, but now I wonder if the content creators them know, if they aim of just tear down each other, or we want to collaborate with each other, link with each other so we can grow each other, and by extension we grow brand Jamaica. See, because of one Jamaica, you know, we don't forget that. So all of them kind of cascas and draw line, and some man like them a create alliance, you know, and if you're not part of the alliance, then it's almost like you're the on one devil side. And watch, you know, me understand the whole factor where when people draw a line and them all what them all, and them, if you all what you all in a means say we have to hate each other. So guess what? You have people out here same way to where them depend on the balance, and them want to see resolution within the problems. Seeing, you have some people out here where them interested in seeing the people them who have the problem come to some kind of resolution and bring forth the solution to the problem and move forward. Seeing? But you see, if we just continue to just create the problem them, it'll look good. It'll look negative. Sorry. It no look good. It'll look negative on the Jamaica YouTube community differently still. With all the bickering and the back and forth where they go on, people are call out each other out of their name. People are put up, you understand, thumbnails where them are label people as criminals, and a label people are try to demean people character and them kind of things. They call people fish and them kind of, you understand, loose kind of thing. That's it not really call for them kind of way. Different still. You see, because all of this what they go on is almost like it a defeat the whole energy of what when they try to get out of the problem. Because watch out, there will always be problem. People go always have problem. But the first thing in our problem is to identify the problem. And once you identify the problem or you come to a solution, after that I just free water away again, man. You understand? We don't have to draw no line and I call people borderline people and them kind of things there, and I make it look like I say people opinion and people aim to get things by one balance level. It not have no meaning. You understand? And we just get tribalistic over people problem. Because some of the content creator them, you know, is almost like them take on the problem on one personal level. We spot the people them problem now become their problem. But guess what? The people them have to be held accountable, see and wait to you know. See, because you see, once people realize that there's a market for chaos and confusion and drama, once there's a market for it, you go always have vendors. People go to sell them things. You see the reaction vloggers them differently still. they are them have to take that thing serious. Cause guess what? I they hide them out there. I deal with checks and balances, you know. Seeing it might not seem important to people right now, you know, but guess what? You see the role where the reaction vlogger them play. I want essential role within the community. Cause it go bring certain kind of checks and balance. People go know say, alright, you say if they now move straight, the vlogger they go allow them up. You say if they now do things how it's supposed to do, the vlogger they go allow them up. And that go bring certain kind of checks and balance and make people start to operate in a certain kind of manner now. You see it, cause them no want their idiot business come on road come expose, and you understand them a deal with people and sound like a kind of, you understand, use kind of level, and people are get upset because of them things. You see it? So when time we are take on the problem them now on one personal level now, and fuel the fire to entertain the crowd where you supply. Watch how extreme it reached there, you know. People now start to weaponize the Bible. People now start to use God as a means of control and pity. Seeing? Use criminal as a mind control kind of thing, cause we have to understand the message and the energy them what we are sending out to the cause. Watch it. We know it's enough found just a play upon people mind differently still. It's just a mind game I play, and we know it. See? Not found what you talk about. The Bible say, on if you cut off on an enemy and them kind of things. And you see it. More time when I read some things and take it out of context and take it out of the means why it were actually when represent and them kind of things there. And then on incorporate them things there now on a personal life now. And on call on community people them. On a brother and sister, one Jamaica, on call them enemy, cause the Bible say on if you cut off enemy and then kind of sit there. So you see kind of extreme tendency where some people kind of want to push in a people head. But them use their means as mind control over people who sympathetic to young people who talk about God. Seeing, cause we know say a whole heap of elderly people watch them programming. Seeing? And once one young person come out and him emphasize upon the love and the fear of God and them kind of things. Them things that play upon elderly people mind and say, well, what a nice little young man. This and that. But I just mind control. None of it not real. Because if you love God so much, why you they continue to spout the kind of rhetoric we're not spouting at the circles? Some of them even go as far as like they are them a dry snitch and them kind of things, man. You go get on yourself in some kind of deep problem over people business. Because none of the people them who they have the problem them, like all the ground God and the Colaz them and them people. You know, see, none of them still a fight each other. Are just a crowd. And some people who understand how the crowd react to certain kind of things, so them just manufacture the problem and just continue to just spout it out on people. And watch you now, we not see no resolution from none of the people them who claim say then they defend one side. Just look on the thing what we are doing to each other, man. Look how we are mashed down each other. Look how we just are trying to dig all kind of dirt for each other and try to bring out people personal life into, you understand, certain kind of conversation where we just give your opinion on people business. So all other people just take on people business and make it be their personal business to the point where you and the next man go fight over it. Check with meditation. Check the things them what we are trying to inject in our people. And we just do it because of entertainment. And we're blind to the outcome of the things them what we are doing. You see? Because if we are say a brand Jamaica or one Jamaica, some people are go as far as make it seem like some people not have the qualification for even engage in a certain kind of conversation or have their opinion on certain things, because you must seek one alliance or you must join one alliance and then kind of things. So watch out. But come out and say, Colaz are the bounty killer of the YouTube. See? And as me said, me just see people just join up alliances and you hear all kind of words, subliminals are true and all kind of different things, and who can represent the conversation or engage in the conversation and them kind of things, man. How petty we get, man. Sometimes when time, trust me, man, sometimes we just think back on ourselves, man, and just, you understand? Just understand the things them what we have put out, man. Because it look good differently still, you see it? Every day you come out, you see one different thing. And the man them make it seem like them now have no stopping with it. You see it? It's almost like a some scavenger type of thing. Man a just a run down pan cadavers. So as one little thing jump out, you see someone just jump on it and start to, you understand? 1 minute someone just say peace, the next minute they must say war, and then weaponize the Bible and use God as mind control over people, and trust me, man, it get too crazy, man. We have to straighten up, man. Straighten up. Because Jamaica one beautiful place. And you see youth them where I hold it out and I do them thing. Youth like all Sunrise TV. You understand? Them kind of youth there, and some other youth round a one part, round a one place round there. You understand? Dark dive I do film thing over there same way too. You understand? So a whole heap of youth that do them thing out there and no drama and go on, and you understand? I just keep it like that same way, man. All of them youth they where they keep it real, and you understand, keep on yourself drama free and them kind of thing. They wanna go and shine the light on brand Jamaica like how it's supposed to. You understand? Big up on yourself. You see it? So all of them little rhetoric where people out there throw out and them kind of sitting there, and them little subliminal disrespect and some outright disrespect, and call people out of their name and a tear down and a laugh because other people now get the kind of numbers what them are get on. You understand? The whole of we are share the same subscriber them, man. I see him community, I see him Jamaica we are talk about. So make we help each other, make we align with all of we content creators. You understand? Because so we can grow each other. And check this. The Jamaican YouTubers, content creators, can link with the content creators where they are abroad and forge alliance. If we are going to create alliance, at them the kind of alliance they will create. But if we forge alliance with people where they are abroad and the content creator them where they on the ground in Jamaica, the content creator them on the ground for link with each other same way too. The man them what they do party and them kind of thing there. Promote them party and you understand? The one them they are foreign where they them link with same way. Send on the liquor money or the food money. What would they spend in the dance? Even if we not did it. They understand? Personally or whatever. You understand? The content creator them at Jamaica where do the kind of travel vlog and them kind of things. You want to know, say you have enough people are foreign where they want to go to Jamaica and experience the real Jamaica. Not the all-inclusive Jamaica, not the tourist Jamaica. They want to experience the real Jamaica. But they want to feel safe same way when time then come there. You see if the man them on the ground forge alliance with the man them where they are foreign, the man them can create business connection then kind of way the same way. You see it? Networking with each other and they sitting upon the ground. You understand the levels? Enough ways we can connect with each other and benefit from each other. Because we don't need all of this kind of tear down on them sitting there. Because the tear down only go serve some within some liquor selfish way, and then after a while it just go disappear because all of this is just a fad. It just go there for a minute. You understand? So we have to look on things from one bigger picture. You understand? I know say the man of foreign, he might represent Jamaica just like the man from the Rockwood they represent Jamaica. We can help each other. Not only for grow with channel, but forge business alliance same way too. You understand? People from the who they are Jamaica, who they are Europe. We can organize trips to come to Jamaica and link with the item who dep on the ground and them kind of thing. They see it. Some more time uno make the ego get the best of the item. I wanna see things on one small level. I wanna see people on the internet. But we only know each other on the internet. We don't know each other background certain kind of way. We don't know each other connection certain kind of way. See? So when time we quick for disrespect just because we want a quick number and want quick like, and your ego get caressed and you feel up in yourself, you start feel yourself and then kind of things. More time una blighted una opportunities. You understand? Because we see it say the ego can get the best of some people differently still. Seeing? So make we just be humble with all of the blessings what we are get. You understand? All of the people who that subscribe to it and listen to it, we not to take them for granted. Don't make them feel like I said them less than we. Or we have more sense than them and we out here to dictate to them and tell them how they're supposed to live life. And you understand? A conversate, we out here to conversate with each other and draw consensus. That means that we find some kind of amicable agreement out of the subject matter. See? And we can play rough. But guess what? At the end of the day, the game done, the whistle blow. We are all same community members again. We are all friends. If we tackle each other too hard, somebody foot broken and go to hospital. You understand? Are we cousin? Are we cousin? Are we sister cousin? Are we brother sister cousin? You understand? I see them community people them. So we have to see each other. You see it? Instead of we are build wall, make we build some bridge and connect with each other. You understand? Because enough of we have potential out here, you know. And enough of we have connections out here. See? So we can set up the right connections with the right people them and we do the thing the right way. And them kind of things that we feel link up each other, man. The man them on the ground affair. When time we do it like how the big man them used to do it. You know, say that the man they are building house. Couple of we just go around there and we contribute and we put we time into it, and you understand? And everybody can hold a content off of that same way too. And show the unity and the link up and the magnitude and the love war we're supposed to have as Jamaican people. See? And at them kind of things that we want to see. We want to see international vloggers are link up as Jamaican. And one of them time yeah, we have one international vlogger link up in Jamaica. And all of we come in and we touch down and we do networking and we set up what we set up, and you understand, we grow ourselves. But we can't come on the internet and pretend like I said we are content creator when time we want to be criminal. You understand? We have to lego them things them, man. See? And we can't run here try to set up each other and scheme each other and them kind of things. You see it? Because then things are just go blight now. And then we go see some other people are coming in now and I take advantage of all of the opportunities that exist. And then we go kick back and say watch them people, you know, and it look like I say a bad mind, we get bad mind. See? But we are damage and destroy the opportunity that may exist for we as Jamaican, is it? And don't think say them things that we not do on the internet, it just stay up on the internet. Because people are get up in their feelings. And people are get right to get up in their feelings if people are spout them kind of rhetoric there and disrespect people them kind of way. And tear down people character them kind of way. See? So as I say, people who just go and bless up their themselves, man, and take care of their them family. Go and click the subscription button. Click the like button if you like the content. You understand? Share it with your friend them and then kind of thing there, you see. So in our next video, in the next link up, Art I love people. Go and bless up there themselves. Rastafari.